Here's a quick maintenance video for how to change the air filter on your lawnmower. Specifically here I have one of these Quantum 5.5s from Briggs & Stratton, but this will apply to honestly almost every single type of lawnmower out there. So stick with me here and I'll show you how to do it. The job is super simple. All you need is a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or if you would like you can also use a 5/16 socket and ratchet. But nonetheless, all you need for this job is a screwdriver and a new filter, and let's get started. So if you come to your lawnmower, what you're going to want to look for is the primer bulb, and pretty close to it should be this plastic covering where there'll be a 5/16 bolt on there, or in this case also something with a spot for it's slotted for a Phillips screwdriver. And all we're going to do is open that up. So just lifty-loosey. And then just like that, we have our filter. Obviously this thing is terrible and disgusting, and you want to change this out. I think a good interval is to keep an eye on it at least every mowing season. But when it gets dirty like this, it gets clogged, and airflow is very much so reduced toward the engine, so you want to be mindful of that. And by less airflow to the engine, puts more stress on the system, and then it causes more problems down the road. So for a couple bucks you get a brand new filter, and you just help your mower last that much longer. So if the install is just that simple, it's the opposite of install. So we took the old one out, just placed the new one in such that it should just lay in like that, and then close it up. And it might give you a little bit of a lip the first time, but that is totally natural. And just like that, it's fitting in nice, and just screw it closed. And honestly, you just want this thing to be tight. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. And just like that, you've replaced the filter on your lawnmower. So that's the job. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Ask any questions below if you got them in the comments section. I'll link the tools and the air filter that I use for this in the description box below. And feel free to subscribe. That really helps me to know that you guys like this sort of content. And I'm going to be doing more videos, especially now that the weather's getting nicer, on other important and easy maintenance things that you can do yourself at home with very simple tools, and very little expertise needed to get these kind of jobs done. So kind of follow me along here and I'll help you guys out, help your mower last longer, and give you that feeling of accomplishment doing your own repairs and maintenance on stuff like your lawnmower. And I've got other videos about things related to automotive stuff for your cars, and even just some household stuff that any beginner can do. So feel free to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.